Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. 3x negative ay equals to 3, ax negative by equals to 4. In the system of equations above, a and b are non-zero constants. If the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of b? Okay, here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. A linear equation is considered to be in standard form when we have the x term and y term on one side of the equation and constant on the other side of the equation. Okay, before we start solving this problem, let me consider let me consider a system of two linear equations in standard form, that is a1x positive b1y equals to c1, and other linear equation is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Okay, here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. Now let me write the ratio of the coefficients of x, coefficients of y and constant terms. Okay, the ratio of the coefficients of x is a1 over a2. The ratio of the coefficients of y is b1 over b2. And the ratio of the constant terms is c1 over c2. Okay, when this system of two linear equations in standard form has infinitely many solutions, all these three ratios will be equal. Okay, now we can apply the same logic in the given system of two linear equations over here in standard form, because this system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, now what we can do is we can write the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is 3 over a. The ratio of the coefficients of y, that is negative a over negative b. And the ratio of the constant terms is 3 over 4. And since this system has infinitely many solutions, all the three ratios over here are equal. And here this negative will cancel out. Then we can write 3 over a equals to a over b equals to 3 over 4. Since all the three ratios are equal, we can equate the first ratio and third ratio. When I do so, I'll be able to get the value of a. So once I get the value of a, I can equate the second ratio and third ratio and get the value of b. Okay, now let me equate the first ratio and third ratio over here. Then I'm getting 3 over a equals to 3 over 4. Okay, now let me take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. The reciprocal of 3 over a is a over 3. And the reciprocal of this 3/4 is 4 over 3. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 3. Then this 3 will cancel out. Here 3 will cancel out. I'm getting a equals to 4. Okay, now let me equate the second ratio and third ratio. Then I'm getting a over b equals to 3 over 4. Okay, here we can plug in this value 4 for a over here. Then I'm getting 4 over b equals to 3 over 4. Okay, now to solve for b in this equation, we can take reciprocal on both sides so that we'll have this b in numerator. Okay, now let me do it over here. When I take reciprocal for this 4 over b, I'm getting b over 4. And the reciprocal of this 3/4 is 4 over 3. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 4 to get up the denominator over here. So when I do so, this 4 will cancel out. Then I'm getting b on the left side. On the right side, 4 times 4 is 16. That is 16 over 3. Okay, here I got the value of b. Its value is 16 over 3.